Hey guys, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama, where I help creative entrepreneurs succeed in business. Today I'm going to unbox my very first liquidation purchase to sell on Amazon FBA. So a little history, I've been selling on Amazon very part-time for the past year, a little over a year, and I'm starting to see some consistent results, and now I'm ready to put a little more energy into it. And the reason I wanted to try to do some liquidation purchases is because I've been doing a lot of research and I do have my own brand on Amazon, but of course it's always harder to gain exposure with your own brand private label. So I'm going to put in the mix some branded products. That being said, you've got to make sure you have a really good your account is in good standing with Amazon. You also need to make sure that you get ungated with the brand names. And what ungated means is that you are allowed to sell that branded product. And what you need to get ungated, sometimes it's just a simple, just click the approval and you get instantly approved. And other times you need to show an invoice of 10 or more purchased from a supplier. And I went ahead and took the chance of purchasing 24 units of these Dr. Scholl's inserts in order to get ungated. And thank God I did, because I would have had to put them on eBay to sell. So let me go ahead and unbox these and let's take a look at them. And, making sure when you're doing Amazon FBA, you want to make sure that your products are, really good. Otherwise, if you can be selling products that are not getting good reviews or they're bad quality, Amazon's going to eventually, you're not going to be able to sell on Amazon. So always make sure you're doing quality products with high ratings. And so far, this is the product I purchased. It was such a steal at $2.25, I believe, and I checked them on Amazon. They're selling for $15.99. So this was a good purchase. I'm going to go ahead and scan it and see what comes up. Yep. So this is $15.99 selling. It's ranked at 77,000. I try to look for items that are under 150,000 in ranking, so you know that you can move some of them. But again, I'm not the expert, but I am dabbling and I'm starting to see traction. So for all of you that are starting to do FBA, get your account in good standing by getting some good products out there, get some good reviews, and then like I'm getting ungated with so many brand names without even purchasing any inventory. So when you have a good standing account, that is one of the benefits. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to ship them over to Amazon and see what happens, and I will keep you updated. So in the meantime, keep going, keep trying new things, because it's those things that you try which may be the next $1 million idea. Okay guys, I will see you in the next video.